Well, I'm here at Stanton, and I landed, enjoyed a Coca-Cola here, and kind of rest up a little bit and talk to a few people, like this nice guy right here.
Hi.
Wave to the people out there. He's
Nice
interested.
meeting you,
He's
Ralph.
interested in the airplanes, and he likes my Kolbra.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great out here. Well, the new Richmond airport is pretty quiet today. Even though it's a nice day, it was great. Flying over here and continuing my journey around the cities. So I'll be back over the Twin City area here in a few minutes. And of course the Mississippi River here by Anoka. I'm at the Hector Airport in Hector, Minnesota, and they're talking about a slight risk of severe weather today. So I guess I better get back home before it starts breaking out here. The clouds don't look that great. Take a look at this. Yeah, it's sprinkling a little bit now, but it could be nasty a little bit later on, and probably tomorrow too.